never thought I would be able to run the chain of restaurant. I spent so many years inside the prison until I've lost touch with society. And I realized that in Singapore, if you have a criminal offense, it's very difficult for you to integrate back to society. I believe if you are passionate enough to believe in something with your heart, with your soul, with your mind, everything is possible. This is my morning. After a good breakfast and a good cup of kopi o, I'm now on my way to work. Usually I will go straight to one of my outlets, but today I have a meeting with my chairman, so yeah, I'm going to my office right now. Talking about 18 chefs is a long journey. I didn't start it well, but a couple of years back, we were able to find the right formula to run a successful restaurant and also a social enterprise. I never keep count. I guess I have helped a lot of ex-offenders to learn the skill, get a job, move on in life. For an ex-offender to get a job is damn tough. This is also one of the reasons why I started 18 Chefs, to run a good business. At the same time, I'm able to train a group of ex-offenders to become chefs, managers, in the F&B industry. So this is something that I love to do. You feel good every day you go to work. It's not a job, it's not a chore, it's something that you love to do. So I thank God. I love cooking, and then now I'm running a restaurant. Nothing much can I ask for. Hi Gary. Okay lah. Oh, makan already. This place is very special to me because I stayed here many times for my own heroin rehab. This is a nice place, selling furniture, doing house removal, and then they will be self-supporting this place so that they are sustainable. I'm going to my Bugis Junction outlet. Today can be quite busy. Hi. Hi. At the back here is my Bugis Junction outlet. So this is going to be my last stop. You might be asking how I'm able to run a restaurant every day. There will be a long queue. I would say that I'm not selling food. I'm also selling a culture. That's the most important aspect of running 18 Chefs. We're going to sing a birthday song, okay? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Xiao. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Today I have quite a long day, and I'm going to knock off very soon and to go back home and have dinner with my wife.